Here in the Treasure Valley, Roland says a weak storm could still affect us as of this weekend.
Yeah, first thing we're going to need is for that jet stream to come over to the west side here of the country and dig out a trough, and that's going to help us. I think that's going to be happening, guys. It's not going to be much of a huge storm, but it's going to allow a little bit of a change to finally take place. If anything, it's going to give the folks out there over the eastern half of the country a bit of a break. There you can see the jet stream dipping all the way down into the state of Florida. That big winter storm is finally moving away from the mid-Atlantic states, whereas we still have this big area of high pressure that continues to hold on to the western U.S. for at least the next 2 days. So today is going to go down on the record books as being an absolutely gorgeous spring-like day, and once again tomorrow should be an almost exact repeat of what we had today. It's by Friday that we're going to start seeing some kind of a change, and I'll show you how that's going to happen in just a second. But this is the influence of high pressure. All the sinking air does not allow any clouds to form. And when you have the jet stream out here, remember the jet stream is a dividing line between the cold air to the north of it and the milder air to the south. So the jet stream is way up here to the north. All the cold air is trapped way up to the north. But by Friday, going into Saturday, the jet stream finally starts to dip down into the southwestern United States. This is going to allow a little bit of that colder air to move toward the state of Idaho, but more than anything, it's going to allow an area of low pressure that's going to be forming right around the Great Basin. Now, I think the best potential for any shower activity is going to be over the central and southern mountains of Idaho on Saturday. But here across the Treasure Valley, we will see some increasing clouds, maybe a slight chance of a little passing sprinkle. It just doesn't look very promising for the southwestern part of the state. But in the southeast and along the Wasatch Front, there may be a couple of showers down to the valley locations on Saturday. Then this whole thing is going to be out of here very quickly on Sunday as, guess what, high pressure rebuilds back into the western U.S. So the futurecast for tomorrow, now you can see how dry it's going to be. Maybe the occasional high thin cloud, but boy, it's just going to be dry all the way through Thursday. Here's the 7-day forecast as I break down what's going to happen as that storm develops in the Great Basin. I'm going to go for increasing clouds on Friday. Should be a dry day on Friday. We'll probably see a few more clouds. That's the marker that storm is starting to form somewhere between Idaho and Nevada. I think the Treasure Valley will have cloudy skies on Saturday with cooler conditions on Saturday and Sunday. But it's going to clear out of here on Sunday, and it's going to be beautiful and dry and getting warm once again on Monday and Tuesday. So it's just a little tiny sample of what's supposed to happen this time of the year is going to be moving in at the end of the week and the first part of the weekend. The mountains will have beautiful sunshine for the next 2 days, increasing clouds on Friday, a chance of some snow showers. I think more towards the south central and southeastern mountains of Idaho will see the best chance, and then partly cloudy skies on Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. It looks like it's going to be very, very nice. So that's it. That's the big break Mother Nature is going to give us, is a little weak storm that's going to very rapidly move through the state of Idaho on Saturday.
I don't mean to complain, really. I
Sure.
don't. But sunny before the weekend, sunny after the weekend,
I know.
and then right on the weekend.
Sunday looks good, though.
Okay.
Sunday's going to be okay. Yeah.
Just the timing of it.
I understand.